Good morning, Hendersonville. My name is Don Martin. I'm with The Reasonable Realtor. That's a blog. Um, that's a website. That's a place where you can go get information about your house. Some of you people are perhaps right now thinking about selling your house. And in as much as you are thinking about selling your house, maybe you're thinking about saving those huge commissions. Um, and selling it yourself. And I don't blame you for that. But real quickly, I just wanted to say do go to thereasonablerealtor.com. Um, you can go to one of the menus on the front there and go to services and pull down list my house, MLS list my house, and just look at your options that you have available to you. I'm here in Tennessee. I work from Memphis to Knoxville. I work from Chattanooga to Nashville. I am here in Nashville. My office is here in Nashville, which is pretty close to Hendersonville. Uh, you might say, during two times a day, it's not that close to Hendersonville, but most of the rest of the day, it's close to Hendersonville. At any rate, I've been doing this 36 years, licensed and certified. I hope that you go check out my website. In fact, I hope you check out this YouTube site. There is going to be a little red square, or there is a little red square right over here where you can click and subscribe to it. Won't send you emails all the time, but you will be subscribed to this YouTube channel, and I would appreciate it. I'm putting the link right down here in the comments section for you to have an easy path to get to the Reasonable Realtor. If there's any way that I can help, get on there. My telephone number's on there. You can dial 10 digits, press 10 digits, and reach me. You can email me. You can do anything that you're most comfortable with. I love answering questions, and I will answer any that you might have. I will see you later. Thanks.